Hi there guys, Sasha here from TT Liquor. Today we're showing you another drink from our current cocktail class menu. It's a non-alcoholic version of our Buccaneer drink, which is a tiki drink. But for this, we teamed up with our friends from Lyre and created this flavor bomb that is non-alcoholic. So over to you, Kay.
You alright guys, it's Kay back here at TT Liquor once again. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make the alcohol-free version of the Buccaneer. And the first thing we need for this drink is our rum. So I'm going to be using this Lyre's, and I'm going to start with some of their dark cane spirit. And I want 25 ml or 1 shot of my Lyre's dark cane. Next up is the second of our rums, and that is going to be some of this Lyre's white cane spirit. Just like the dark cane, I want 25 ml or 1 shot of my white cane. And the next ingredient going in here is going to be some banana syrup, and I want about 20 ml of my banana syrup. All right, next ingredient going in here is going to give us some extra sweetness and a little bit of kind of nutty flavor. I'm going to be using some of this Lyre's Amaretti, and I want 20 ml of my Amaretti. So I've got some pineapple juice here. Give it a shake before we open it. And I want 25 ml or 1 shot of my pineapple juice. And I want 1 shot or 25 ml of my lime juice. So now we're ready to fill that up with cubed ice and give it a shake. Pop my tin on top, big old whack to seal it. We give that a shake for around about 10 to 15 seconds. Here we go. And I'm going to just strain my drink over that ice like so. So I'm just going to go nice and classic with this and garnish it with a wedge of orange. And that is our alcohol-free Buccaneer ready to drink.